today I'm going to be doing an Italy prep and pack with me. So I just woke up and I'm about to go get my toes done. Michael and Tori are going with me to get my toes done. So I'm just wearing a really chill outfit today because I have a lot to do. I have all my outfits right here and I did a style with me video, so I'll link that video down below for you guys. But all my outfits are right here, and then I have my shoes over there, and I have my jewelry right here. I'll go through all this later. Now I am just going to get my toes done, so I will see you guys whenever I get back. Okay guys, so I just got back from getting my toes done and I got them light pink, so I'm actually going to start packing right now. I already have my outfits out, so I'm going to start putting them in my suitcase. This is the suitcase I'm bringing. It's pretty small. So far I packed all my outfits, socks, underwear, bras, PJs, and almost all of my shoes in here. Also a bikini because we're going to the beach one day. Oh wait, let me turn this down a little, the brightness. But I'm going to pack up this. I'm packing this up right now. It's just a bunch of random stuff that I put in this little zip up bag thing from Amazon. But yeah, I just have random stuff. I have 2 cameras, a first aid kit, super glue in case of nail breaks, pills, and some little makeup wipes, birth control. I also have these gel nipple covers because a lot of my outfits require those. So I'm just going to zip this up and throw that in there. Right now I'm going to take a little break from packing though because I'm going to the gym. Whenever I get back, I'm just going to edit and also finish packing. I have to edit 3 videos, so hopefully that will happen. Also, I want to show you guys how I'm packing my jewelry from Amazon. It's really cool. Wait, let me make it flat again. Yeah, okay, so I put all my necklaces up here, and you put all your earrings right here and then all your rings right here. But I don't have any rings to put here because I only wear 2. And then I'm going to put like really tiny earrings right here. But I will just see you guys whenever I get back from the gym. I just got back from the gym and I stopped at Target because I needed to get nipple pads because all of my outfits require those and mine are just not sticking anymore. I actually got kava too because I'm so hungry. All I have to eat is pasta, and I'm going to be eating pasta for 11 days in a row. So I don't want to eat pasta today. I'm just going to eat this right now and then I'll finish packing afterwards. I just finished eating. Oh my gosh, I just almost fell. Okay, I just finished eating and I'm going to take a very long shower. So I'm going to exfoliate, shave, and you know, wash my hair and all that stuff. But I really need to exfoliate my whole body and shave my whole body. I did a self-care day video and those are the products I use, so I'll link that video down below for you guys if you guys were wondering. The body scrub that I showed in that video is my favorite thing in the entire world. So I'm just going to shower and I will talk to you guys whenever I'm all done. I just got out of the shower and I'm going to go to Starbucks, but I actually did my makeup because I'm going to film something. I did pack most of the makeup that I'm bringing to Italy. So what I like to do is actually do my makeup the day before and put it all in here because that way I know I'm bringing everything. And I just bring some extra things like scissors, tweezers, an eyebrow razor, and then I have like a toner in there. This makeup bag is from Amazon. It was $12. I love it because the top of it holds brushes perfectly. So I'll link everything down below that I'm mentioning for you guys in this video. So I am just going to, I think I just need to put this and this in here, and then this will be all done. So after I find a way to fit these products in here, I will put this in my suitcase and then go to Starbucks. I just cleaned my beauty blender before I put it in here. I should probably clean my makeup brushes, but I don't have time to do that, so that's fine. And then my palette I'm just going to put on top, and everything fits, which is amazing. So I'm just going to put this in my suitcase right now. I just finished packing all of my jewelry, so all my earrings are right here, and then, well, my bigger earrings, and then my little ones. Okay, can't open this. My little earrings are in here, you guys can see, but I'm not sure how I'm supposed to do this. I'm thinking I'm going to put this over the earrings so the necklaces aren't touching them, and then put my necklaces over top, and then you fold this. So, oh wait, I think I fold it this way. Yes, I think. Wait, does that make sense? Okay, I'm trying to figure this out, but I think you just put the necklaces down like this, and then go like this, and then, yes, okay, this makes way more sense. Okay, I was definitely doing it wrong before. So then you go up and you fold, and then it just velcros, and all your jewelry is in here. Okay, that took me a while to figure out. I'll link this down below though. I really love this because I was looking for something with necklaces, earrings, and a little pouch, and a lot of things on Amazon didn't have that, but I finally found this one. So I'm just going to put this in my suitcase. Next I have my toiletry bag, and I got this from Amazon. I really wanted one that hangs, so I got one with a hook, but I just put cotton pads here, cotton swabs here, and then I have just like a bunch of random stuff in here. Toothpaste, micellar water, shaving cream, face spray, gel for my hair, a little clip. I have my oil to take off my makeup, deodorant, a face cream, dry shampoo, hair mousse, hairspray, this hair silk, and I have eye cream. So that's everything in here. Oh, and also I always bring this brush whenever I'm traveling instead of bringing a big brush because it just fits in here. And I have this face mask that I'm just gonna, you know, throw in there. And also I have a mini loofah. So I'm going to zip this up. Hopefully this fits. Somehow I got that all to fit. And then I just have a brush for my face mask right here, and a Tide to Go stick. This is crucial. And then in here I have and then in here, if I can open this with one hand, I have hair ties, and I also have my razor. And this is all packed, so I'm going to put this in my suitcase right now. I almost forgot a toothbrush. So Tori's mom actually gave us these for Christmas, Easter. Oh my gosh. Okay, so much is going on. Okay, anyways, Tori's mom gave us these for Easter, so this is perfect. So I might just take out the toothpaste that I have and just throw this in here, but this is like not fitting in here. So I was just going to put it in this thing. Also, I forgot about this brush. I love this brush for slicking my hair back, so I'm putting this in here, just throwing it in here randomly. I think these are good though, so I'm going to put these in my suitcase. This is what my suitcase is looking like so far. I put 2 packs of dairy pills in here for me because I'm just trying to live my best life in Italy and not worry. So I wanted to make sure I had enough pills, so because I know I'm going to be eating a lot of cheesy products and dairy products. I'm also bringing a face towel just because, I don't know, sometimes Airbnbs don't have that kind of stuff. Our Airbnb in Paris, I don't think, had one. So I'm bringing one of those, and then this is the other side. I'm almost all done, honestly. So I'm just going to put this in here, and then I'm also bringing a hair straightener. Okay, wait, I need to fix this. So I just put my hair straightener in here, and I'm pretty much done, I feel like. I mean, I have a list on my phone of other things like my sunglasses, but I'm almost there. I need to look at my list and see what else I need to bring, but I think I'm almost done. I have one Ziploc baggie with this hair product I want to bring, and also we just decided to buy a big shampoo and a big conditioner and body wash and just all share it. Kind of dark, why is it? Okay, so we're just bringing that, and I feel like that's way smarter anyways than bringing a bunch of minis. But I feel like my big suitcase is almost done. I'm only bringing my check bag and my duffel bag, so my duffel will be my carry-on, and I have another suitcase for a carry-on, but I don't want to bring 2 things that I need to roll. So I was going to do a check bag, my duffel as my carry-on, and then I'm just going to bring one of my purses as my personal bag. So I think I'm going to start packing my duffel right now. I forgot I'm going to get my period while in Italy. I know, I'm so mad. I just put some tampons in here, but I really think that is all it for my suitcase now. So going to pack my carry-on now. I just packed my duffel. I always put my bags in my duffel just because I like my bags always with me. So I packed my little Louis Vuitton bag, my Fendi shoes in here. I have a sleeping mask for the airplane because we're doing a red eye. I put my sunglasses always in my carry-on or personal bag too, because I don't want them to get crushed or anything in my check bag. So I have those in here, and then I have one outfit just in case. So that's really it for my carry-on. And also I just need to put my laptop in here, and my laptop charger, but I will do that in the morning because my flight isn't until 4:30 and I need to edit and stuff tonight. So that's the only other thing that needs to go in here, and the charger. And then for my personal bag, I'm just bringing my Chanel bag, and here I just have my passport, my card holder, keys, and I have my AirPods too that I need to throw in here. If I can do this with one hand. And that's all I really need. I'll put my phone in here, and I'll put my vlogging camera in my carry-on. So yeah, that is all that I think I needed to do. I hope I have everything. Oh, and also I have my outfit right here for the morning, well, the afternoon. I have my outfit right here for my flights laid out, and my checked bag is right there. And yeah, that was everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you guys haven't already. The next time I see you guys, I will be in Italy, so I'm very excited. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh my gosh, I literally look insane right now. Okay.